Affiliate marketing is now an integral part of modern digital marketing, basically because it relies on the power of human leverage. Most of the time, it is easier to trust in the words of a neutral person than to trust in the actual words of the creators of the product or the producers of those products. Remember how you needed to buy a particular thing and then you made up your mind faster simply because a friend of yours told you something good about that particular product or that brand? It's just like word of mouth marketing and user experience type of testimonials. They tend to convert new intending customers faster and turn them into buying customers faster because you would trust the recommendation of a neutral person to the recommendation of the actual creators of those particular products. This is the major reasons why brands are now incorporating affiliate marketing into their digital marketing campaign. This way, you also get to earn in the process as well. Think about it for a moment. You must have recommended a number of products or services to people and they ended up patronizing those people. Imagine that you got paid a certain amount of money for that your recommendation. Won't it be nice? This time and age, there are several affiliate programs that you can leverage on to make money for yourself. But you will have to be very careful so you do not get into the wrong program. And that is exactly what I'm going to be focusing on in today's video. Remember, I started this series a few days ago and I've been telling you things about affiliate marketing that you really need to take note of before you dive into the business of affiliate marketing for yourself. And I said in my last video that I was going to be explaining to you in today's video how to choose reputable affiliate programs for yourself so that you do not go and waste your time, effort and energy in affiliate programs that are not profitable. However, before I proceed into the business of today, a brief introduction of myself for the sake of those seeing me for the very first time. My name is Mandy Rachel Okolegi. I'm a digital marketing consultant, and right here on my YouTube channel, I share tips with you that can actually help you to leverage on your smartphone to make money online. So if you are that person looking for how to leverage on your smartphone to make money online, you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, you want to make sure that you tap on that subscribe button right now to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop new videos, you're going to be the first to know. And also, I need to let you know that this is a series. So you want to make sure that you tap on that bell icon. Turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop the next video in this series, you will be notified. Finally, if you have questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section, but make sure that you have watched this video till the end before you ask your question, because you know the question you want to ask, I might have actually answered it in between the video. But if you still have questions, you need further clarifications, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Also, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up. This helps the video get shown to more people like you looking for more knowledge in affiliate marketing so that you do not start on the wrong footing. Finally, share this video as well by tapping on that share button to copy the link, or just share this video to your friends that need to know more about this topic that we are dealing with in this particular video. Now to the big question: how do you find reputable affiliate programs to leverage on to start making money for yourself online, especially with your smartphone? Because a lot of people used to have this notion that for you to be very, very successful with affiliate marketing, you need to have a laptop. But let me break it to you. You do not need a laptop. Your smartphone is more than enough for you. And like I said, I am going to be taking that and looking at it right here in today's video. So make sure you're paying very, very close attention. How do you find reputable affiliate programs to leverage on to make money for yourself, especially with your smartphone? I think the answer to this question is obvious. Are you with me? Online, right? Now, you might be wondering how. A simple Google search can actually help you with that, using Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, your social media platforms to actually see what affiliate programs people are talking about. And you can even ask your friends or your colleagues in school, in your church, in your place of work, etc., just for you to know what people are actually talking about and on about. Because one of the key to your affiliate marketing success is you have to make sure that there are actually people interested in this thing that you want to get yourself into. Like I said in my last video, this would help you ensure that you have consistent flow of sales, which means consistent flow of money for you in your business. But remember, I said earlier that you will have to be very, very careful. And you can't just take people's words for it. You have to do your own research to be certain that this is what you really want to do. And to also be sure that it will be profitable, because it is one thing for people to be talking about it. It is another thing for it to actually be profitable, right? Because you do not want to waste your time. Here are some criteria you would have to consider before selecting the right affiliate program for yourself. Number one is that the business or the program, does it have a good reputation? You don't want to dabble into a business that would soil your reputation because of future transaction. Remember, because you are going to be dealing with people and you don't want to be caught in between, like promoting a program that has no reputation, has zero integrity. It would fall back on you, and when you want to do something else later in the future, it would affect you. So you have to make sure that this thing has good reputation, because a good name is more precious than silver and gold. Number two, the products involved, will they give you good value for money? Not just in terms of your own affiliate commissions, but the end users as well. Is it something that they are going to buy and regret? Or is it something that they are going to buy and be happy with themselves and say, wow, thank God I came across this person. Thank God this person linked me up with this thing. Will they send prayers to you, or will they send curses your way? So you have to make sure that this product, is it of good value? Does it have value, or it is just a fluke? Number three, you also have to consider the earning potential. Is there a good market for this thing, or is it just a waste of my time? Number four, does it suit your niche, or is it something that you can adapt to? Now, in one of the series, I think day one or day two, I talked about niching. So if you don't know how to find your niche or choose a niche, you might want to go and refer back to that video. I'll link it in the description of this video. It is very, very important because it would have a very, very lasting effect on your success in your affiliate marketing business. Number five, are there some terms and conditions that you should be aware of? You really need to know all of these things so that you do not get in and start saying, well, I didn't know this, or I didn't know that. You really, really need to know before you kickstart. Now, after considering all of these factors or criteria, it is time for you to now choose an affiliate platform or network that you want to leverage on to run your affiliate marketing business. As a Nigerian or as an African, it might be difficult for you to actually set up your affiliate accounts abroad. Yes, we know the reasons why, so I don't want to go into all of the details in this video. Fortunately, we have some affiliate platforms here that gives you the opportunity to actually earn from the affiliate marketing industry, a decent commission at that, and I am going to be revealing them to you as well in this video. So make sure that you are still paying attention and just come along with me. As an affiliate marketer myself, I have used and tested several affiliate platforms, and here is my honest opinion. Platforms that promise to pay you in dollars while transacting in naira cannot be trusted, simply because the exchange rate is always inconsistent. Yes, they would use a different exchange rate to make you sell the product, and then they will use a different exchange rate to pay you your commission. At the end of the day, your commission is not going to be complete. So they can't be trusted. Telling you this from experience. Platforms that also offer free registration is not advisable because there is no accountability. To be honest, I have tried quite a number of those platforms. They are not advisable. There is no accountability. You have nothing to lose most of the time. Maybe they also have nothing to lose. I don't know, but there is no accountability, and you do not want to be wasting your time on platforms that at the end of the day you will start blaming yourself that why did I even get into this thing in the first place, especially if you are serious with it. And not just that, most of these free platforms sell products that don't offer value for your money because there is really no verification. They just dump products there, and then you go ahead to promote it, and at the end of the day, remember that integrity factor, good reputation factor. You want to be considering the future while doing the now, right? Because beyond affiliate marketing, you're still going to do other things, and you do not want to soil your reputation because of a few commissions. So are we clear on that one? Well, except you do not care about your reputation, but if you don't, all well and good. I am just telling you this based on my own experience with some of these platforms, and these are just my own opinion. Also, before settling on a platform, ensure that you check their track record on social media. Very, very important. How active are they on social media? And also, are they responsive to their affiliates? Or are they people that leave their affiliates out free? They don't even care whether you're progressing or not. It is none of their business. You have to also make sure that you check all of these things. You can take it one step further by also researching the founders of these platforms. If the founder does not have integrity, of course, the platform cannot have integrity, right? Also, a platform where you will have to request for your payment before you are paid is a red flag. I am not going to advise you to, spend your time on such platforms, because why should you have to request before you are paid? You should be paid automatically on a particular set day for payouts. You do not need to request. But if you have to always request every time before you get paid, there is something wrong somewhere. It means that these platforms are not automated. It should be automated. Everything should be working in synchrony and harmony, right? The person, the prospect buys, automatically the seller gets his own pay, you get your own commission. Everything should be on autopilot. If you have to request, my dear, it is a very big red flag. I would not advise you to, get on such platforms. Now, with all of this being said, based on my own experience with several platforms in Nigeria, these two platforms are what I recommend, right? These two platforms are what I recommend. Number one is Seller, especially for low ticket products like, this 1K, 2K, 3K, 5K products. Maybe you're just starting, you want to use that to learn. Seller. But then again, selling low ticket products and selling high ticket products actually takes the same energy, the same effort, the same time, right? So why not sell high ticket products instead? Or let me say mid ticket products, and that is where Expertnaire comes in for you. These two platforms, Seller and Expertnaire, are what I recommend for you. Although low ticket, high ticket, mid ticket isn't really a factor per se like that, I use both Seller and Expertnaire. But then again, these two platforms have really stood the test of time and integrity over the years. I have, tried some other ones, and I see that these guys there, they are actually good, and those are the ones that I recommend for you based on my experience. On Seller, the registration fee is about 2K thereabout, so it's really not expensive, right? Just about 2K thereabout. While on Expertnaire, the registration fee is 10,000 naira. Now you may be wondering, 10,000 naira registration fee, but I tell you, it is well worth it, because what is the point of registering on a free affiliate platform where you make no money? It doesn't make any sense. However, before you pick your 2K or your 10K to go and register on these platforms, make sure that you have background marketing skills, because these platforms expect that you do actually have all of these skills already, so that you're going to make money on the platform, okay? Because they are not going to be responsible for that. You have to make sure that you actually know your onions when it comes to marketing. Otherwise, my dear, save your money. I mean, they have created this platform for you. You have to be responsible for milking the platform to make money on the platform. And for you to milk the platform, there are certain skills that is required of you that you should know already. However, Expertnaire has a training program for newbies like you to help you learn the basic marketing skills at an extremely cheap price. Now, it doesn't end there, because you know that you're a newbie. They would also give you a free Expertnaire account when you register or sign up for this newbie training program, okay, to teach you all of the basic and necessary skills that you actually need to be able to milk their platform. Because like I said, their own is to give you the platform. Your own job is to milk the platform and make money from it, and you need some skills. All of these skills, Expertnaire has actually has a training program for newbies that you can take advantage of, and it is actually very, very cheap. And like I said, it comes for you with a free Expertnaire account. Remember, the Expertnaire account costs 10,000 naira. You're not going to be paying that extra 10,000 naira. You're going to be getting the account free of charge. Isn't that amazing? Not to worry, in my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your own affiliate account as well. In fact, I'll also be teaching you how to get a free Expertnaire account in my next video. So make sure that you have tapped on that subscribe button to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Tap on the bell icon right beside it to turn on post notifications for all of my videos so that when I drop that video, you will be notified personally. Make sure you tap on that subscribe button and subscribe right now. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It helps it get shown to more people like you looking for information like this. Do you understand? It helps the algorithm. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Just tap on that like button to do that. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. Trust me, I'll do my best to answer all of your questions. And I could even feature it in my next video. So if you have that question in your mind, better drop it now so that in my next video, I could even feature it and answer you very, very well. Also, make sure that you share this video. Just click on that share button to share this video with your friends so that they can also come and join us and watch and learn. Remember, I said this is a series. Yes, a series on affiliate marketing. You don't want to miss out on it. And that'll be all for now in this video. Until next time when I come your way, keep being amazing and I'll see you in my next video.